This tutorial is about how to create a very simple Google site so you can store all of your flipped videos and lessons so it's easy for students to access. So first I'm going to ask that you sign into your Gmail account and then open a new tab. There's many ways to get to Google Sites. I find this to be the easiest. Type in sites.google.com. And because you're signed into your account already, it will automatically go to all of the Google Sites that you currently own. Right now I have one that I've created, and we're going to add another one. So I'll click on the button Create, and I'm going to ask that you click on Blank Template. Make sure you use the blank template for this. You could use other templates, but they are rather complicated to edit. So it's better to start with a blank one, and you can add a lot of content to it that way. Then you can name your site, and I would do it something general. I'm going to call mine High-Fill Flipped Learning. And next I'm going to scroll down and select a theme. And again, I like to keep my web pages pretty simple and clean. I'm going to do Solitude Navy. I do like this one. Okay, at this point there are some more options you can look at, categories and site description, but at this point I'm just going to make sure I have my theme, and I've signed in as High-Fill Flip Learning. Hopefully that name is available. We'll find out right now. I'm going to click Create. It will create the site. If not, it will tell me that the name is already taken, and I just have to select something else. And there we have it. So this is actually my web page. A couple of things about this web page that I like to clean up, and I'll show you right away how to do them. When you want to edit your web page, there's two buttons that you'll be clicking. This one right here is the pencil, and that will let you edit the page you're on right now. So anything that I want to edit on here, if I want to add content, now I can type it right in here, and then I have content on my web page. I can also add, later I'll be showing you how to insert videos in this spot and how to insert Google Forms. But what I'm looking for, and always push save when you're done, what I'm looking to edit is this sidebar over here. Some people like sidebar navigations. I like my navigations to be horizontal navigations instead, and I'm going to show you really quick how to set that up. So I click on More, and I want to slide down to Manage Site. And from here, that was not what I wanted to click on. I'll click Save. This happens all the time when I'm doing Google Sites. I click in the wrong spot. My changes are saved. Go back to High-Fill Flip Learning. Go back to More, and go to Edit Site Layout. That's the one I meant to go to first. There it is. Win and fail, just click on something and you'll get back to the right spot. So across the top here, you can see where it talks about navigation. And right now, if I hover over sidebar, I can enable or disable it. So I'm going to disable it by clicking on it, and it's gone. What it does is it kind of extends my space I have there. I'm now going to enable horizontal navigation. So it starts with, I only have one page in my web page so far, so there's that first button. There will be other ones as we go across the top here. This is good to think about. Maybe you want to put, if you teach multiple periods, you could put period 1, period 2, or your different subjects could go across the top. Or however you want to think about the organization of your home page. We will go and continue with more of these lessons. And how to fix up your page so that it's really easy for kids to use.